While playing the Mobile Legends, many players face an unknown error. Please try again. Mostly this unknown error happens when you have a problem with the internet and software bugs. Therefore, I'll show you the 3 advanced troubleshooting processes that fix your problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Remove cache data for the network. Open the Mobile Legend app, tap Setting, tap Network Test, tap Cache Clearing, tap Clean, tap OK. Please wait for your Mobile Legend to get started. Solution 2. Boost your Wi-Fi and mobile network speed. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap the Developer options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, active Always Mobile Data if you are using mobile data. Solution 3. Remove software glitches for the Mobile Legend app. Now tap and hold Mobile Legend gaming apps. Tap App Info. Enable the Auto Start option. Also enable App Permission. Now allow all the necessary permission for your Mobile Legend app. Tap Battery Saver. Select No Restriction. Tap Clear Cache. Tap OK. Tap OK. There you are. Now before you play the game, just make sure that your Mobile Legend app is up to date. Once you confirm that, open the app. Now check. After following all the processes, your problem will be solved. Now still, if you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.